In front of me is ULEFONE Power Armor 18, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Passwords and Accounts. Then tap on this gear next to Google under Autofill service and tap on Google Password Manager. Now just click on the one that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Finally, hit Edit next to the date and change wherever you want to. When you're ready, select Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!